Hi guys, welcome to Two-Stroke Running and Repairs. Another chainsaw video for you. Today we're going to be going over what to do when you get a chainsaw. Either you get a new one in that won't start, or yours won't start, won't go. So there's a couple of things I do first. Empty out the fuel, because you'd be surprised at how many times it's a case of bad fuel. So not sure if that's got oil in it or not, so that's fun. Doesn't have the oily smell. Another good sign is when your chain's on backwards. So fuel, that's ruled out, or out, so it's not running on totally horrible looking fuel. Now I'm going to check for spark, so pull the spark plug out, hook up your spark plug boot to it, hold it on the cylinder, pull it over. I've got some nice spark there. I'll see if I can get that on camera. Alright, so to check spark, I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but you're wanting to look at the end of the spark plug. And I'm getting a nice bright spark. I don't think that really showed up very well on the camera, but I'm getting a nice spark there. Next thing you want to check after spark is compression. So with this, it's an easy start model, so it's kind of hard to get a feel for compression just with the pull handle, but you can pull the muffler off like I've done, have a look inside and see what the cylinder and piston are looking like. This one is looking quite nice actually, at least from the exhaust port. I'll grab my little light if I can find it. I'm then also going to look in from the exhaust and see what it looks like. And from here I'm seeing a little bit of damage to the sides of the cylinder, either side. I'll turn off the camera. Alright, so after checking all that, it looked all fine. I put new fuel in it just because I was curious, cranked it over and it started right up. So I'm not sure why the person was saying it wasn't running, but it runs for me now and I'll show you that. So there we go, that runs great. So not sure why they were saying they had a problem with it. I cleaned it up a bit, just cleaned up the bar. Aside from the bar in the front, this saw is actually super clean. Apparently it's only used for cutting down Christmas trees, so cutting down Christmas trees and cutting off the first couple of branches was what I was told. So who knows, it's back together now and we'll see.